Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart. This is the Kiam Surface Pro 24 Rotary Surface Cleaner, made from stainless steel. So you've got a stainless steel hood and you've also got two stainless steel arms. You'll notice that you've also got a heavy duty trigger gun, and on the side of the trigger gun you've got a 3/8 screw thread connector, but it will also come with the 3/8 male bayonet connector, so you can just snap on your high pressure hoses. The unit itself, stainless steel head, comes with 4 heavy duty casters, so it'll sit nicely on the deck, whether you're cleaning cobbled areas or whether you're doing block paving, it'll sit nicely. Underneath the unit you've got the 2 arms that rotate with nozzles on the end. Now those nozzles are only about 1 inch off the ground, so you'll get a very powerful clean with this rotary cleaner, but a consistent clean as well. So as opposed to waving your arm about with a standard lance where the height will differ from in front of you to the side, this is going to give you a constant clean all the way through your driveway. You've also got a brush system on the circumference of the actual head. That allows the water to ooze out, but it stops it from splashing up to passers-by if you're cleaning in a public area. So this unit here again is the 24-inch Surface Pro from Kiam.